The Lord told me to tell you that you're coming into your harvest season. You're coming into your harvest season. And the reason you're so frustrated and the weeds seem so intolerable, weeds that you've been tolerating for years, are driving you crazy in this season. Weeds that you ignored in your past are driving you crazy at this moment. It's because you're closer to your harvest than you have ever been before. Somebody in this room that's been waiting on a harvest a long time, you ought to give God a harvest praise.